Hi and welcome back to the Professor's Funda. Today we are going to design a 3D model for 555 timer as a monostable mode on EasyEDA tool. Here we can see headers, a resistance R1 and a push button which is connected to the second pin of the 555 timer. The 8th pin is set to VCC, first to the ground, 4th is to the VCC. 6th and 7th pin are short together and is coupled between a variable resistance and a capacitor. The above variable resistance helps to change the timing of the circuit. The third pin is then coupled to the second header towards the output, and a resistance R2 and LED is connected to it to see its display whether the output is coming or not. Further moving to that, the PCB layout of the 555 is set next. This is the PCB layout for the 555 timer, where you can see all the components and the bottom layer of the tracks. Now converting its 3D model. This is the final 3D model for the monostable mode. The junction J2 you can use for the further output, and from J1 we will provide the source input.